Hey YouTubies, how's it going?
Hello YouTube.
We're worn out after this prepping of this meal.
Okay, cask, we got shrimp kebabs with shrimp, peppers, onion, pineapple.
And we have king crab legs.
Which was also cooked on the grill. Barbecue.
Peach, gold peak tea, that's peach flavored, and pineapple and mandarin lemonade, mixed hard lemonade. So, hopefully this is good. Good. Yum.
And my fork.
Pineapple. Yum. Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, it was funny because we're like wandering through and I asked her what the list is. She goes, "We need skewers," and I looked over and I said, "Right there."
Oh, well, you see him. His eyesight's way better than mine. Yum. And we put an orange sauce on it, and then he topped it with a garlic butter herb sauce that was meant for the king crab, but this actually added to the flavor, so it actually works. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm kind of worn out from going to Sedalia. We had to get our meds and then prepping everything, and she did most of the work.
Myself out trying to get everything prepped.
But the weather wasn't as nice as I originally thought when it went on Sunday, last Sunday, a week ago or whenever. I looked up on the weather. She looked last night or sometime and said it was supposed to rain. So
And it's been sprinkling off and on.
but shrimp kebabs and Alaskan queen cream.
What? Alaskan king crab?
Crab legs.
There you go. Napkin. Gotta wipe my hands off so I can get my lemonade opened.
This stuff's pretty good.
I know.
And this meal is thanks to you by her hard work.
That is really good. The hard pineapple mandarin. That's good.
Oh, it's not peeled shrimp.
I ate it. It's actually not too bad. I can peel it if you need me to, because the little leggies, I didn't see that until just now. I had some shrimp sauce, but I don't know if we'll need it or not. A little bit on there. You want some? Or no?
I'm good. Not really a shrimp sauce person.
I used to be more than I am now. I'm gonna add.
Didn't give me a paper towel though.
Yeah, I just did. I told you that.
Then why is it in your lap?
So it wouldn't be in the way of the camera, which might need to scoop the.
On the way.
It is.
Maybe they wanted to look at the
Tin foil? Aluminum foil? That I can barely see. Just a little bit of lemon juice. We didn't get real lemons. We cheated tonight. So.
And it's funny because we couldn't find the lemon, so we had to ask somebody.
Yeah, the little container of lemons. Couldn't find it. There's like what, one or two left?
I don't know. I could see the box, but I couldn't see what's in it.
No. It was good. You can see that or not? The little seasoning bits. Oh. Yum.
I could eat this stuff all the time. It wasn't so expensive.
pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. This is finger looking good. Better than KFC. You know how they say KFC is supposed to be finger looking good? It's better. I don't eat the shrimp sauce as much as I used to. I used to have more sauce on my shrimp than I did my
Shrimp.
yeah. But I got to wear most of the time if my shrimp is seasoned right, I prefer it without the sauce because that way I can actually taste the flavors from the shrimp and the seasoning. Oh. Yum.
Sorry, I'm trying to think of something to say, but my brain's on mush mode. So I'm probably not as funny today.
And we had a hustle butt. We had to run over to Sedalia real quick we could buy stuff here, but the Sedalia Walmart has so much of a better selection of stuff than our Walmart.
Their meat department looks so much better.
Mm-hmm. Their meat looks better. Everything. I don't know why. You think, Walmart would be but our store just, I don't know.
Doesn't compare.
Yeah. That pineapple is heaven.
Yeah, pineapple's pretty good. Hard pineapple mandarin. We got that yesterday. We got the pineapple today. It's like.
And when we got the hard pineapple mandarin, I didn't even see the mandarin part. I thought it was just pineapple. So how y'all doing? Good, I hope. It's nice that we're finally starting to have some decent weather here. Other than being a little bit rainy right now.
Yeah, cloudy and rainy.
Yeah. Good stuff, Maynard. Give me a king crab real quick. When you're not busy, I mean.
Yeah, I'm kind of
Please.
busy.
I know. That's what I was saying.
Let's
Please.
see.
When you're not busy.
There you go.
I'm not a little bit more than that.
Oh.
Work. A
little bit more?
No.
Oh, probably with a big one like one of these, huh?
Probably.
So cold.
Yeah, I
don't
was
know
gonna
if it
say.
got done cooking.
Yeah, I don't think that got done.
Might have to turn the grill back on and put those back on. They're
Yeah.
still frozen.
Yeah, those are still frozen.
Sorry.
He tried. Like I said, we were trying to hurry so we can get a meal ate before Mom and Dad get home. Well, we'll do that. We'll eat the king crab later tonight. How's that? We'll enjoy our shrimp kebabs right now. So that will work.
Right, put that on for a little bit of time to get it to thaw. I thought that would have been done by now.
Me too. I guess not as quick as I thought.
Well, everything else was thawed out.
Yeah. It was not quite what we had anticipated. But this is still good.
Yeah, but you only got like one piece of pineapple on each of these?
2. You weren't in here helping. I don't want to hear it.
I prepped everything else.
I know. That's why I was trying to get this done. So some extra pineapple, and we'll put it in with the. We'll grill it with the.
Okay, well, if you want to, we can take a break. Go throw that back on. Let it cook.
Okay.
Sorry, but we're going to take a break and be right back.
All right. We forgot we had some Bush's baked beans also.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Got a little bit of a bite when you're not used to after the tea.
Yeah. Okay. She might end up coming in here. I don't know. Mmm. So good.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, we now have the king crab legs on the grill, topped with a whole bunch of pineapple and pineapple juice. Don't know if we'll get to that this meal. If not, we'll have it later tonight. Mmm. Oh man.
Whew.
Mm.
I'm going to be full just of tea. And I still like the beans, so I can give her some of them.
No.
I'll go eat the beans and shut the door.
No. You won't.
Yeah, I will.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Before we put them on the grill, I spread some orange sauce all over them. And then, like I said, he put the butter, garlic, herb mix on there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Ah. Oops. This is definitely one good thing about good weather. Have barbecues.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Mm.
It sounds the wild birds outside.
We actually had the furnace turned off and the door wide open. Hopefully no mosquitoes come in. I didn't think about that until just now.
Your zombie-like parents couldn't feed a mosquito. They're already as pale as you are.
I'm not pale.
You gotta have blood going through your veins to be having things for mosquitoes to eat.
Mm. You do save all your shrimp for last?
Pretty much.
Mm. Uno. Uno.
Oh, those are mine.
Uh-uh.
You didn't get any.
Nuh-uh.
I gave you one. What makes you think you deserve more than the one I gave you?
Got a little tiny bit charred. Mm. That one really got coated with charred little bits. That's why I like it, when they got that just a little hint of charredness.
Beans. The more you eat, the more you toot. The more you toot, the better you feel. So let's have beans with every meal.
Just don't say we did.
But I gotta eat all these.
Not in one sitting.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, I can blow you kisses.
No.
Why not?
Mm. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Getting full?
Mm-hmm. Problem, we don't eat very much anymore, so get full so fast.
Yeah.
You'd never know that from a fat guy.
Yeah, but a fat guy that's losing weight.
Are you finding it?
No. No. Ship it off someplace and give it to somebody else. You don't want it.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Any more in here?
Excuse me.
Coming out the other end again, too?
No. Behave. Eat your food.
Why? You're the rooter tutor. Every time she was coughing, she's been farting for like the last 2 weeks.
More than that, because of this stupid virus or whatever we got. And that, I think I'm over it now, but the fact that okay, you're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you. I'm the one that had to sit behind you.
Behave. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. So good, y'all. Mm.
How long should I keep the crab legs on the grill for?
I don't know. I have no idea on that one. How long do you have them on there before?
I don't know. Not long enough, not even defraw. They were still frozen. Guess I should have put them on there and let them cook the whole time while I was getting everything else ready.
Yeah, but we didn't know.
Yeah, I was afraid of them burning.
Mm.
Two and a couple of bites of beans, and I'm full. 2.5 of them.
You've had two, and I'm on my third. Actually, this is my last one, but I ate more skewers, and you didn't finish your shrimp yet.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. That's the main thing of the meal.
Yeah, and I love shrimp.
Mm.
Never could find a Red Lobster when they were having the shrimp feast where all you can eat shrimp. Oh man, that's
Well,
good stuff.
usually when they had it, we didn't have money or way far away.
Yeah. Whew.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and one thing about Sedalia's, dang, they had a lot of hotties there. Good-looking girls, women.
Mm-hmm.
Took one of the redheads home with me. Got Mitch, pretty.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite redhead.
Better be.
Well, my only redhead. Got to be my favorite.
Love you.
Love you.
No, you're ornery.
Got my computer dropped off, so sometime next week they should be able to fix it.
Dropped off to FedEx, that is.
Yeah,
Not dropped.
off.
Dropped to FedEx.
That was done Wednesday, so they should get it by Friday, maybe Monday at the latest.
Hmm.
I don't know if the repair thing's a Monday through Friday thing, or do they take drop-offs on Saturday? I don't know. I don't know if FedEx runs on Saturdays. Probably not.
No clue. Mm.
But it was dropped off early enough Wednesday that it should get there by Friday. Because it was second-day shipping. Get my laptop fixed. Then wait for it to get back to me. And I hope they can recover the hard drive on it and not lose everything.
Mm.
Then I can get back to being a gamer again all the time.
Yeah, one of the trolls was giving him a hard time the other day in comments about how he plays games all day. He's disabled. We're disabled. So we don't have much else to do. Hello.
Yeah, it's kind of...
It sucks. We would actually be healthy and working.
I wish I was healthy and working.
We're working on getting healthier, but
Considering I used to work
kiss my
between
booty.
5 and 7 days a week all the time and get like 20 or more hours of overtime.
Yeah. So, little Mr. Troll, you can kiss my booty because we got to have something to do.
Or I could become a troll on the internet.
Yeah.
Not very
Like
good
him.
at it. Not very good at it. But... Okay. I'm better to pass out.
That's my little mini rant for the moment. Alright, we're going to get ready to scoot. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Check out the links down below. And we will see you again soon for something else yummy. So,
Let's see. Make a mini rant. That new Congresswoman, something Ortiz, Curtin, give her the chance to at least, do something or screw up or whatever, but don't be needing to dog her. She's brand new. I know she's a Democrat, and I'm not a Democrat, and she's trying. So at least give her the benefit of the doubt until she really does something stupid.
I really don't know anything about politics stuff, so that's more of his thing than...
No, it's not my thing.
Yeah, but in general, the point is, anybody, give them a chance.
Yeah. She's new. Just because she was a bartender or whatever doesn't mean she's a total idiot. I mean, she dresses nice. But, I'm not a Democrat. But, hey.
Just because she's a bartender doesn't mean she can't have brains like
Like
crazy.
I mean, she had to put up with a bunch of butt-held asshole drunken guys, so there's got to be something going on in favor.
So, All right.
So I'm sorry.
Huh?
So I'm sorry. Yeah, I gotta leave the wife for the cleanup part.
That's fine.
I
I got half of it done already. So, all right, we're gonna scoot. Talk to y'all later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.